If you're looking for a highly educational market analysis, you're in the right place. This is the Transparent Effects Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about CAD CHF. Now, why do I want to speak about CAD CHF? Because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis. First, I will be covering the technical aspect of this market. Then we will go and see what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market at the moment is testing an extremely strong monthly support and demand area. In fact, from here the market did start all this move to the upside. Again here, the market tested and rejected this area to the upside. Again here, again here, again here. Then the market here broke it to the downside. At that point, this previous support was turned resistance. However, we now had a break back above this level, which the market just retested here as support. Therefore, a potential rejection higher seems very possible. We can also notice how we just had an impulse and correction. And in general, if you have an impulse and correction, in order to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how the market just corrected exactly to the 0.618 golden ratio of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse, which is a very strong support and demand area as well, from which we do expect the move higher to be created. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now here on the weekly, we can see how the market at the moment is rejecting this previous area of weekly resistance, which is now turned support. So also here on the weekly, everything seems pretty bullish and more continuation seems possible. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what we can see is that the market at the moment just started creating this W formation. And in general, after the creation of a W, you want to see the market go and complete the W formation at the neckline, which is the previous resistance turn support, and then print the potential continuation to the upside. So here on the daily, what we expect is short-term bearish price action and then a longer-term bullish price action and continuation, as we have already identified on the monthly time frame. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing, and we check the data specifically for the CAD, we can see how lately net positions have been growing. We went from having a negative to a positive net positioning, with currently 54.4k long positions and 42.2k shorts. So the CAD at the moment is quite strong. And if we go and see what we have on the CHF, we can see how at the moment we're sitting with a negative net positioning of minus 9.7k net positions, with 3.5k longs and 13.3k shorts. So the CHF is weak, the CAD is strong, which is exactly what we need in order to create more continuation to the upside. So if the market here will provide a correction to this previous resistance turn support, instead of here what we will be doing with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, if we will have a correction to this area, instead of here we will be monitoring price action with students from an intraday perspective, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market, at that point we would be adding CAD CHF to our watch list, and as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we could be looking for this potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to create the long-term bullish continuation as we have previously identified on the monthly time frame. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. We are currently running a special promotion. And obviously in the mentorship program, first you learn all the rules of the strategies, then you also get a daily market breakdown every day showing you which pairs I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to ask questions and get the answers every single day. So it's a very interesting program and complete program. The link is in the description. To find out more about the special promotion, go and check it out, and I will see you in it.